What's up, witches, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cinnamon, and on this channel we do all things witchy and kitschy. So if you love Halloween, if you love cutesy spooky things, if you love party recipes, this might be the perfect channel for you, and I would so appreciate if you would like and subscribe if you do enjoy this video. Right now I am craving all the fall flavors. I'm looking for cinnamon, I'm looking for pumpkin, I'm looking for all the things that make our little fall Halloweeny hearts happy. And I'm having guests over today. I'm having a group of girls, and I usually make this recipe when I have a lot of people over. You can double the recipe and it works just fine. You can also make it the night before. So we're gonna do my pumpkin walnut cinnamon rolls. So we're here in my kitchen. We're going to make this recipe. It'll make you feel warm and cozy. It's the perfect start for your weekend. And I don't know about you, but I am hungry. I am 7 months pregnant, so I am always hungry right now, and I'm excited to share this with you. So let's get right into it.
For our ingredients, we have heavy whipping cream, pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon, butter. I like to use Kerrygold Irish butter, walnuts, you can chop them or leave them whole, a can of pumpkin or pumpkin pie filling, and your cinnamon rolls in a rectangle baking dish. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to take our cinnamon rolls and lay them evenly spaced out in our baking dish. You can really do it with either side, up or down, but I chose this more cinnamony side. Then I got my Jack Skellington spatula, and I have my melted stick of butter. I'm going to add about half of a container of the heavy whipping cream to that and mix it together really well. It does take a minute to just get this incorporated. Mix, 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 and mix some more. Now we're going to add our pumpkin. Again, you can use just pumpkin puree, or if you like things extra sweet, you can also use pumpkin pie filling. It's super good as well. But today I had pumpkin puree, so that's what we're using. And then we're just going to mix that. This spoon isn't really the best spoon, so I switched to a beater. Is that what that's called? No, a whisk. I switched to a whisk. And whisk, whisk, whisk. And now it's turning that buttery, yummy pumpkin color. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. This really gives it that pumpkin pie taste and all those good yummy fall spices that just fill your kitchen up. And we're going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix, mix, mix. It takes a lot of mixing to get this incorporated quite well, but once it's in the oven and it's smelling up your house with that beautiful fall scent, you will not regret it. You can see the color now. The consistency is really good, and we're about to add it to our cinnamon rolls. So you can just pour it in like this, and you have the choice of doing it in the morning or pouring it in overnight and letting it really soak in. I just did it in the morning this time, and it turned out fine. But if you want to leave it overnight, it really does soak up all the pumpkin. And then we're just adding some chopped walnuts here and ready for the oven. So we're going to stick it in the oven here at 375 for 1 hour. And we're adding the icing, the best part. Oh, it's so good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I wish I'd had 2 of these icings to add to it, but it only came with 1, so that's okay. I just spreaded it around a little with my spatula. What's your favorite fall flavors? I just love cinnamon rolls. I think they're so yummy. They're so easy. And then we're adding some walnuts. I'm just breaking some of them up, leaving some of them whole. You know, measure with your heart.
Time for the best part, the taste test. So good. So good.
Here we have our final product to share with family, friends, and anyone who loves fall flavors as much as you.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe. I will be doing party recipes all throughout the year, as well as lots of hauls, Halloween content, Halloween decor shopping. Also, let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite fall recipe? What do you love to bake? What do you love to eat? What's your favorite Halloween candy? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love for you to join our spooky family, and I will see you next week. Bye, girls.